Hey y'all, this is your Dagat girly, Kristen Kate Barrow from St. Thomas Aquinas, and today I have decided to roam around Camiguin to explore and appreciate their gems. So no, before we went to Camiguin, I have decided nga mag-jogs ako kay aron mahilis tanan gikaon gikan sa Christmas party ba? Charis. Bitaw, nag-jogging ko kay murag nasubraan kog kaon sa among lechon. So, dili ra ni siya karon no, ga-jogging ko like usahay mga weekend kanang walay klase, kinana. And then, we decided to make it happen on Saturday, 6 a.m. in Naglarga, weekend siya, perfect gid kay makauban akong parents. So no, we rented a car kay sa Camiguin, hassle jud kaayo mag-commute kay gamay ra kay sikad. So we're on our way to Mantigi Island, that is our first stop. Kay dili pa kayo siya init. Dili ba kaha? So, to arrive at our destination, we have to ride on a PAM boat. Around 200 to 300 siguro ang napay namo. So, this is my point of view. Grabe no, tsada jud kaayo siya. First stop pa gani ni namo. But yeah, Mantigi is known to be one of the amazing islands in Camiguin. So, we're heading back for our next stop, which is Old Church Ruins. Wala na ko naka-video no, but nara ko diri dagat na. Our third destination, which is Tuwasan Falls. Medyo layo-layo ni siya. So no, nagbati na kog kakapoy ani nga time. Kay gidagat pa jud ko, mar wala na kay ko naka-video. Pero bitaw, this is our last stop, which is White Island. So syempre, nagbarko na sad mi, di ba? Hassle kayo. Maayo gid kay among pag-abot kay dili siya dagom, dili siya init. So that is all for my recreational activity. Thanks for watching.